Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu. Sahih Muslim Hadith number 2594. There is a quiet truth many people overlook. Strength is not always loud, power is not always forceful, and beauty isn't always something you can see. Sometimes the most powerful thing you can carry into the world is something incredibly simple: kindness. The Prophet ﷺ said, kindness is not found in anything except that it beautifies it, and it is not removed from anything except that it makes it defective. Pause for a moment and really think about that. Kindness doesn't just improve things, it transforms them. Let's begin into the real life. Think about a conversation you had recently. Maybe it was a disagreement. Maybe it was stressful. Maybe emotions were high. Now imagine the same moment but with kindness added to it. The tone softens. The tension drops. The outcome changes. Nothing else needed to change, just one ingredient: kindness. That's what this hadith is teaching us. It is not just advice, it is a principle of life. Picture this. A man come home after a long exhausting day. Work pressure, traffic, endless responsibilities. He is already frustrated. At home, something small goes wrong. Maybe dinner is late. Maybe the house is messy. Now he has two choices. He can react with anger, harsh words, cold silence, or he can choose kindness, a softer tone, patience, understanding. Same situation, same people, same problem, but two completely different outcomes. One damages a relationship, the other strengthens them. This is what the Prophet ﷺ meant. Kindness beautifies. Kindness is not weakness. Let's be very clear about that. In today's world, people often confuse kindness with being soft or being taken advantage of. But real kindness requires control: control over your anger, control over your ego, control over your reactions, and that is strength. The strongest person is not the one who wins argument. The strongest person is not the one who controls themselves when they could hurt someone, but choose not to do. Think about how Allah deals with us despite our mistakes, our delays, our shortcomings. He continues to show mercy again and again. If we want Allah's kindness in our lives, we need to reflect that kindness in how we treat others. Let's bring this down to daily habits. Kindness doesn't need grand gestures, it lives in a small moments. The way you speak to your parents, the patience you show your spouse, the smile you give a stranger, the respect you show someone who disagrees with you. Even a simple message, even a small act, even silence when anger is expected, that is kindness. And every one of them, and every one of these moments adds beauty to your character. Now let's flip it. What happens when kindness is removed? Same hadith answer it. It is not removed from anything except that it makes it defective. Without kindness, words become harsh. Relationship becomes fragile. Hearts become distant. You might still be right in argument, but without kindness, you lose something far more important: connection, respect, barakat. This is a powerful pattern in a human memory. People forget what you said, they forget what you did, but they never forget how you made them feel. A kind word can stay with someone for years, a harsh word can too. So every interaction become a responsibility. You are not just speaking, you are leaving a mark. Kindness is also an act of worship. It is not just social behavior, it is ibadat, it is worship. When you choose patience over anger, when you choose softness over harshness, when you choose to forgive when it is hard, you are not just being a good person. You are following the example of the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam. and that carries weight in the sight of Allah. Ask yourself honestly, how do I speak when I am upset? How do I treat people? How do I react with things don't go my way? Because that is where kindness is truly tested. Not when it is easy, but when it is difficult. The world doesn't need more noise. It doesn't need more arguments. It doesn't need more harshness. It needs people who carry kindness, even when it is not returned. Because one kind person can change a moment, and one moment can change a life. So today, make a quiet intention wherever you go, whatever you do, whoever you meet, add kindness. Because as the Prophet taught us, it will beautify everything. In this message, if this message touched your heart, carry it forward. Sometimes the smallest reminder creates the biggest change, and maybe, just maybe, someone's entire day will become better because of your kindness. Assalamu alaikum.